So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. So guys, this video will be about decomposition. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Also, if you want to answer this question before we provide the answer, you can simply pause this video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's go ahead and check out the question here. We have, which of the following is not released during decay of living matter? A, heat energy. B, ammonia. C, carbon dioxide. D, oxygen. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option D, that's oxygen. During decay, oxygen is not released. So actually during decay, organisms like bacteria and fungi will have to decompose the living matter, and guys, these microorganisms break down the complex organic substances into simpler substances. So actually in this process, ammonia is released from the nitrogenous substances. Also, carbon dioxide is also released from the carbohydrates, and then heat energy is also released due to the exothermic nature of the process. But guys, however, oxygen is not released during decay. Instead, it is used up by these decomposers during the process of decomposition. So guys, that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we post premium information on WAEC and things you need to know about the WAEC examination. So guys, we'll see you right there as you hit the join button below. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.